Gemini lets you build your own AI-powered mini apps called Gems for custom reusable workflows. You can start by clicking on this new gem button, and here's where you can describe the app that you want to build. So we'll put in our prompt and it'll begin vibe coding. Here we're going to create an app that builds us a detailed marketing campaign brief. The icons indicate what kind of step or what kind of tools the app uses. We'll dig more into that as we look at the advanced editor. But let's go through this example here and we'll just see how it works. Here we use Blue Sky for marketers and content creators. From first glance at the scroll bar, it looks like a pretty detailed report. It has some benefits, 6-month campaign goals, demographics, specific needs, competitive landscape, key messaging points, marketing, tactics, user acquisition, measurement and KPIs, and then next steps. If you want to edit any of these steps, you can prompt it and submit what your requests are. If you want more control over the customization, click on the advanced editor and it'll show you the entire layout of the workflow that includes all these nodes. We can see there are different types of nodes up here that you can add or assets you can add. There's the user input, the AI-powered generations, and the output. If we wanted to turn the nodes for the AI-generated output for marketing goals and target audience into user inputs, we'd click on the user input from the top toolbar. In the right panel here, we'd say, describe your marketing goals. And then we could drag that over to the left, just below the product service description, and then create a node that leads to this node that would synthesize the marketing brief. Delete unnecessary nodes and rearrange the prompt so Opal knows when to refer to specific elements. For any of the AI nodes, you can click on this drop down in the right panel to choose from any of the AI models available or AI functionality like generating images, generating video or speech. And there's also tools that you can choose from like web search, Google Maps search, web page search, weather, etc. You can also ask Gemini for suggestions, configure advanced settings down at the bottom with system instructions, and rename the node if you wish. Preview it to see your updates, look at the console as you're working through the app, and customize the theme. In the future, if you want to find your gems or your apps and workflows, you can go to opal.google or in Gemini, in the left navigation, click on Gem. If you found this useful, like the video and leave a comment. If you want more content on AI, workflow automation, and analytics, subscribe to the channel.